G'day there, it's Glenn Smith from Your Next Car in Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2022 Mazda BT-50 in the XT 4x4 dual cab chassis. Vehicle's just coming in stock, so yet to be roadworthy, but detail has just been completed. But as you'll see as we walk around the utility, it won't need a hell of a lot for roadworthy completion anyway. The reason we do these videos is to give you a really good understanding of the car you're looking at with us. Presents really well, and as you'll see as we walk our way around, the ute definitely does that. And I've got the ute running throughout the video, so you can have the confidence that it is mechanically sound as well. So we'll start from the driver's door. We'll work all the way around the outside of the utility, take you through the interior as well. But as you see, paint condition on that driver's front door is absolutely phenomenal. Has got some Mazda BT-50 side steps fitted, which is normally not an option with these, but this one's been optioned up with those side steps to give it a nice, tougher look on the rear end. Not on the rear end, on the side of here, sorry. Front guard on that driver's side, really clean condition. Alloy wheels and tyre condition is fantastic, so plenty of tread left on those tyres. Coming to the front end of the vehicle, does have a TJM Steel Bull Bar fitted, so really good quality TJM Bull Bar. Condition of that bull bar is in fantastic condition, as you'll see as we walk our way around the outside of the front of the vehicle. Up to the bonnet section, really clean condition. Again, no damage up in that bonnet, really clean throughout. Coming along the passenger side, again, no major damage I can physically see there. Nothing that kind of stands out. Really clean condition again. Front alloy wheel and tyre has plenty of tread left on it as well. Coming along the passenger side, up to the front door, I think it does have window tint from what I can see here. So window tint on front and rear. Again, your paint condition at driver's door is really clean. Side step on that passenger side again, very clean condition. And then coming to your rear door on that driver's side, really clean again. Again, no damage whatsoever. Sorry about the sun in the background, but no damage again whatsoever. Coming to the rear end of the ute, again, alloy wheel and tyre, the rear end of that ute, really clean condition. Colour-coded steel tray, which is a B ute tray, so really good quality steel tray. A couple of minor marks on that tray sides, but is quite normal, just being a work ute of course. But again, really good quality ute trays, these B ute trays. They're not cheap, long lasting of course. Coming internal, it does have a rubber mat in the base of the cab chassis tray as well. Up to your header board. Again, minor wear marks on that header board, but again, it's a work ute, quite normal. And then coming back to the rear end of the ute, again, that tray section, phenomenal condition. And again, really hard wearing these trays. Down beneath that, standard tow bar. So really handy for towing if you need your tow bar. And then coming around to the driver's rear end, his steel tray again is in great condition. Lower toolbox as photoed on the website as well. Again, nothing major tray related. Alloy wheel and tyre on the rear, again, good quality. And then coming back to your rear door on that driver's side, as you'll see, all the way around, really clean condition. Just a good price range 4x4. Best thing is being manual. Really hard to come by in a manual now. Anything 4x4 related, manuals are getting really tricky to get. Door card on that driver's side rear door, really clean condition. Does have a set of rubber floor mats fitted. Just your vinyl floors being the XT, so it's just your entry model. Cloth interior is in great condition again. Again, no tears or splits in that interior. Over to your passenger front seat. Again, really clean condition. Door card on that passenger side. And then back with your cloth interior. Again, really clean condition. Again, no tears or splits in that interior. Really clean throughout. We'll open the driver's door. Start with the door card again on the driver's side. If it stays open, I'm a bit of an incline. Rubber floor mat again, being the XT model base model. Rubber floors and rubber floor mats. Again, your seating's in great condition. No tears or splits in that interior. Over to your passenger side. Again, your interior, very, very clean. Door card and such. So I'll jump inside the ute just to show you through internal features. Getting too old now. shut that door properly. So you'll see internal cluster, back to your steering wheel, volume controls and Bluetooth, and just your cruise control to the right hand side. In the center, it's just your AM FM radio, so Bluetooth compatibility. Again, reverse camera will come up once I select reverse. I'll pop that in reverse now. You'll hear the reverse beep go to say you are in reverse, and reverse camera will come up automatically. Coming back down beneath that is just your air conditioning and heating, your four-wheel drive dial and USB ports to the left-hand side. Back to your transmission, you'll see it is a 6-speed manual transmission. To engage reverse, there is a little lever at the bottom. So that lever will allow you to pop that into reverse. And then to pop it in first, again, without using that little lever, that'll put you into first gear. So just remember, when popping into reverse, lift that little lever up just in the center there. But as you see, really good quality 4x4, great price range as well. And the best thing is being manual. So manuals are becoming quite rare in any brand. But being a 2022 model, this is great value for money with your Steel Bull Bar, your B-Ute, steel color-coded tray. Really good quality. Absolutely phenomenal. So I'll jump outside the ute, we'll wrap up the video. But as you'll see, really good quality, being a 4x4 manual. Great price range. The B-Ute steel tray, Steel Bull Bar, tow bar, and is ready to go. So if you've got any questions moving forward in relation to this ute or anything else we have in stock at your next car and officer, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You can either speak to Andrew or Glenn. We'll both look after you well. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through this video, and hopefully we've found the right ute for you. Have a great day.